Hi, this is Elizabeth with Southern Embellishment. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. And I wanted to show you something that I have in my Etsy shop and kind of give you a visual of it so you'll know exactly what you're getting. And I have been, I've taken several of Nick the Booksmith's booksmithing courses, and I love them. They've been great. And in her courses, she uses the hardback, what I call masonite board. And to me, that is the hardest part, or the time-consuming part, as far as I have to wait on my husband to get his saw out, and then we cut up, he doesn't mind. It's just him having the time, and I mind having to bother him to do these for me. So to me, the hardest part of the book is getting these cut out and ready to process into these gorgeous journals that we have and make. And so in my Etsy shop, I have these boards already cut, and I already sand them and smooth the edges out for you. And so they're ready to do with what you want to make your hardback tomes covers. And so that way you don't have to bother your husband, you don't have to go buy the board, you don't have to wait for him to cut it out. These are ready to rock and roll and get a beautiful project made out of them, a journal. So I have two sizes, and they're $12. For $12 you get two pieces, which makes one journal cover. And it doesn't include the spine, because if you take her courses, and I would suggest taking at least the hollow back binding course, which shows you the curved spine and how and things like that. So the spine's not included. It's the front and the back, like this. This is one that I'm working on now. And so you get two pieces of the board, and well, let me turn it the right way. It gives you the front and the back of the book, not the spine, okay? So I have two sizes. One is the Traveler's notebook size. I showed this in another video. This is the Traveler's notebook size, and it is, I believe it's 4 by, should be 8 3/4. I'm sorry, it's 4.5 by 8 3/4. So, again, you get two pieces of the masonite cut and sanded, ready to go for $12. That's free shipping to the U.S. And, of course, I'll ship international. You just have to call for shipping rates and make sure it's feasible for you. And then this is the, it makes the larger tomes. You can see, compare these side by side. This is a Traveler's notebook size. This is the regular size tomes. And these measure 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5/8 by 8 3/4. So, and again, two pieces of the masonite cut, sanded, ready for you to do your magic on, okay? So you'll find these. I'll have my Etsy shop link below, and they're $12 for a set of two, which gives you, the front and back of a book, a tome, a journal, whatever you call them. All right, so just wanted to stop in and kind of explain that in my Etsy shop of what's available, and that way you can just get on it. Get on it. We ship in 1 to 3 days, and so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your support and stopping by the channel, for subscribing, for liking. Appreciate it. All right. Have a great day. Make something beautiful. Bye-bye.